R.I.P. to B.I.G. Hey. My name is Queen Key and I got a giveaway. Wanna find out what you win? You gotta stay to the end of the video so I can tell you all the instructions you need to know. If you never won a giveaway, then here's your chance. Scroll down and click the link while I do my dance. Hey! Pow! Oh!
Hold it down, hold it down. Hey, it's an announcer. I'm not a rapper.
Dreams of, hey, I'm not playing. I'm saying. Oh, yeah.
Drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you had ain't. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost it, all the shame. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So today we have, like I said, a giveaway for you, and I'm so excited. I know it's been a long time since I've been in front of the camera, but school, life, are all excuses that I'm getting ready to tell you have been hindering me from making videos, when really the actuality is that I just don't have any ideas. I have reviews to get out, I have so much things that I need to do, and it's just overwhelming because I'm being lazy. That's the only thing, really. So yeah, shame on me. We are going to be doing a giveaway today. What do you ask that I'm giving away today to you guys? Remember I gave y'all a hint in a few videos before. I said that the next giveaway that I do is gonna brighten your day. Did y'all guess what it was? It's not a lamp. I'm just kidding. So if you guys haven't watched my previous video, I did a review on Smile Brilliant, which is a teeth whitening company that generously sent me a teeth whitening kit to review. I love them. I stand by that product 100% because it brightened and whitened my teeth so quickly. So I have a whole entire review with them, which is the last video that I posted, dedicating everything, you know, dedicating basically how to make your molds, how to do all that. So if you are the lucky winner of your own teeth whitening kit, which is ta-da, what I'm giving away, refer back to my video if you want to see your girl show you guys how to, you know, use it, what you're supposed to do, and all that other stuff. That's the video, y'all. I'm giving away this teeth whitening kit. If you want to enter yourself in this giveaway, the link is down below. One of you guys will get a code they're gonna email to you, and yeah, you go from there. You put it in the cart, and girl, it's like, you literally, this entire system is like over $100. I think the worth is like almost $200, but you're getting it for free, sis. Y'all better hop on down in that description box and click the link below. All they're gonna need to know is your first name and an email you want to give them, and that is it. And they handle it from there. I don't do anything. I'm just making the video. If you've been wanting to give your sister, your auntie, your brother, your cousin a little teeth whitening kit, I don't know, their teeth looking a little light yellow and you want to whiten it up a little bit, do what you gotta do. Enter that giveaway. Thank you guys so much for almost 20,000 subscribers. I love each and every single one of you. Alright, I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye.
I said we gon' win. Knock me down 9 times, but I get up 10. Look myself in the mirror. I said we gon' win. Knock me down 9.